Mass tourism. Mass tourism is when many people travel to the same place at the same time. The places are very popular and have a many hotels, restaurants, and attractions ready for visitors. Mass tourism usually happen during holidays, festivals, or summer vacation. It helps the local economy because tourists spend money on foods, hotels, and activities. However, it can also cause overcrowding in population if not managed properly. Here are activities: swimming, sightseeing, beach trip, nightlife. Adventure tourism. Adventure tourism is when people travel to do exciting, fun, and sometimes risky activities. This type of tourism is popular for people who love challenge and outdoor experience. Activities including hiking, mountain climbing, scuba diving. Ecotourism. Ecotourism is when people travel to a natural place to enjoy nature and protect environment. Tourists learn about animals, plants, forests, rivers, and wildlife. They follow rules to avoid harming nature and help protect it. Ecotourism also supports local community by providing job and income. It teaches people to respect and care for the environment. Activities: wildlife viewing, nature tour, cave exploration, sustainable tourism. Sustainable tourism means traveling in a way that protect the environment, culture, and local people. It focuses on using resources carefully and avoiding damage to nature. Tourists respect local traditions and help to support local business. Sustainable tourism ensures future generations can enjoy same place. Activities: responsible travel, supporting local production, following environmental rules. Purpose: protect environment, culture, and local communities. Example: tourists visit Chocolate Hills responsibly and protect nature. Recreational tourism. Recreational tourism is when people travel for relaxation, fun, and enjoyment. They escape stress from work or school and enjoy their free time. Activities including swimming, sightseeing, playing games, and visiting resort or dam parks. Recreational tourism improve mental and physical health and bring happiness. Activities: resort visit, swimming, theme park rides, games, relaxation, fun, and stress relief. Example: families visit Enchanted Kingdom to enjoy rides and entertainment. Medical tourism. Medical tourism is when people travel to another place or country for medical treatment or health service. It may be cheaper, faster, or better than in their own place. Service includes surgery, dental care, and checkup. Activities: surgery, dental treatment, health checkup, wellness care. Purpose: improve health and receive medical treatment. Example: Patient travel to Bangkok for quality medical service. Convention tourism. Convention tourism is when people travel to the attend meeting, conference, seminar, or training. These travelers are professionals, worker, or student. They learn new knowledge and share idea activities, attending conference, meeting, seminar, workshop. Purpose: gain knowledge to improve skills and professional development. Example: professional attend convention in Manila. Village and urban tourism. Village tourism involves visiting rural areas to experience simple life and culture. Urban tourism involves visiting cities to see buildings, malls, and attractions. Activities: cultural visit, seeing, shopping, experiencing rural activities, city life. Purpose: learn different lifestyle and cultures. Example: tourist visit Sagada and cities like Cebu. Ethnic tourism. Ethnic tourism is when people travel learn about ethnic groups and their traditions. Tourists observe clothing, dance, food, and lifestyle. Activities: cultural observation, learning tradition, watching dance. Purpose: learn about ethnic culture and preserve traditions. Example: tourists visit Kalinga to learn indigenous culture. Cultural tourism. Cultural tourism focuses on learning culture, tradition, art, and history. Tourists visit museum, festival, and historical places. Activities: visiting museum, festival, historical tours, trying local foods. Purpose: learn and appreciate culture. Example: tourists visit Bigan City to experience Filipino culture. Historical tourism. Historical tourism is visiting places with historical importance. Tourists learn about past events and heroes. Activities: visiting monument, museum, and historical landmark. Purpose: learn history and national identity. Example: tourists visit Rizal Park to learn Philippine history. Domestic and international tourism. Domestic tourism is travel within one's country. International tourism is travel to another country. Both provide new experience. Activities: traveling, sightseeing, cultural exploration. Purpose: explore new places and learn new cultures. Example: Filipino travel to Palawan, Baguio, and international to Tokyo.